The new and improved SKISAVER Flex is easily adaptable to your snowmobile, so you can transport it on all terrains, whether it's gravel, asphalt or soil, without damaging the skis. Load it on your trailer with ease. SKISAVER Flex is easy to use. Push in, push down, and hook. If you're using SKISAVER Flex with one snowmobile, you only have to make adjustments the first time. However, you can use SKISAVER Flex with every snowmobile out there. Just loosen the bolts, set the new size, and tighten. Adjust the hook as needed, and you're ready.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.